Here, I think your accounts people talk about debit credit. Who have not heard of debit credit? Somehow, whether you understand or not is another thing. Okay, you heard of debit credit, yeah? Now, the nature of entries is quite. Debit are all the left-hand side, the credit side. If you do a T account, of course, accounts today we don't see T account anymore. With computerization, accounts do in columnar format, we call it. Of course, the debit credit is shifted onto the last three columns, then with a running balance all the time. Yeah, okay. So, so typically you will see the assets are by nature debit side, expenses are also debit. Okay, we cover liability is a credit, bonus equity is credit, and revenue is credit. Okay? Just know that enough. I think it's enough of this. Of course, if you teach accounting, each transaction, just mention that in a minute. Each transaction that we do, there are two aspects to it. One is the item that's exchanged. For example, I buy a table, right? Now, I record a purchases. At the same time, if I buy on credit, I recognize the creditors. You cannot say, hey, I pay 1 month later, I record the transaction 1 month later. Cannot. Accounting is there and then when you have a transaction, you record it. So what we do in terms of debit credit, we say debit purchases, credit your creditors. So 1 month later, when we pay our cash, we clear all the creditors, correct? So we credit cash with debit creditors in that sense. So don't worry about that, you are interested.